Best 5. Automatic Window Cleaning Robot. The WINBOT is an award-winning window cleaning robot equipped with patented technology. 4-stage cleaning system. 2 auto-optimized cleaning modes. 1-year warranty, plus accessories. High-quality safety tether and pod safely secure the WINBOT while cleaning. Check the description for best price and details. Best 4. Window Cleaner Vacuum Cleaning. Ultra quiet. Low to 65 dB, free of harassment of crazy noise. Anti-fall and anti-collision. Suck to the window automatically. Do cleaning and plan route automatically. One robot, multiple cleaning choices. Not only for windows, but also for mirror, floor walls, etc. Healthy. UV sterilization, prevent secondary pollution, keep your house healthy and clean. Check the description for best price and details. Best 3. WINBOT W710, Window Cleaning Robot. WINBOT clean windows automatically with just the touch of a button. WINBOT W710 can clean framed windows. WINBOT is safe even on windows above ground level. WINBOT can clean hard-to-reach and very tall windows. Check the description for best price and details. Best 2. WINBOT W730, Window Cleaning Robot. WINBOT clean windows automatically with just the touch of a button. WINBOT cleans efficiently with 2 cleaning pads and a squeegee. WINBOT can clean frame or frameless windows. Check the description for best price and details. Best 1. ECOVACS Automatic Window Cleaning. 4-stage cleaning for maximum efficiency. Fast and thorough cleaning with smart drive technology. Cleans framed and unframed glass any thickness, including thermoplastic. An eco-friendly, green machine you can feel good about using. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. And stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe for next updates.